Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Bao Street for sending us their products and for us to try on. So actually, Bao Street is one of the fastest growing mobile food concept dito sa Philippines, and it's now in Angeles City. So if you'd like to know more about this, be with me in this video. Alright, so as of now, they do have 3 flavors. First one is the crispy Bagnet. Ayan. And then the second one is the beef pares. And then lastly, meron tayong pork. So servings are available on this single, kumbaga, bao or bun. So as a trivia pala, bao means hot bun. Ayan. So as I said earlier, meron tayong mga single servings. This is I think 45 pesos, less than 50 pesos. Now, if you go for the double, this is just 75 pesos for 2. So para siyang buy one take one, lesser price. And yeah, they still have the same flavors, which are crispy bagnet, pork, and the beef pares. So since meron tayong single servings dito, I'm gonna check these out. Ayan. So they just recently opened sa Santa Rosario, and it's actually one of the newest food concept, as I mentioned earlier. So naka-ano po sila, parang naka-tricycle, and they roam around near that vicinity ng Santa Rosario. So most of the time you're gonna see them on different places. However, the time na vlog po natin ito, I think they are located sa museo, which is in front of Santa Rosario Church. Alright, so let's taste it while it's hot. Ika nga, first I'm trying is yung kanilang crispy bagnet. Wow. So, if you realize guys, no, so these are popular, kumbaga, street foods sa Taiwan and China. And yung mga flavors na to are our own Pinoy versions. Now, this one is a bagnet. Yung pinaka-foundation ng filling natin has pickles, cabbage, some peanut dusts. I think that's what they call it now, peanut dusts. Also has cilantro to taste. So, I mentioned earlier, kabubukas lang nila sa Angeles City branch. So, let's check out some pictures and movie clips from their grand opening day. So another bun we're going to taste is the beef pares. Oh wow. Alright, so lastly to taste, this is their pork. Again, yung mga previous flavors natin are crispy bagnet, and then the other one is the beef pares, and then lastly this is their pork. Wow. So guys, from the 3 flavors, if you are to ask me, I think I'm going for the pork asado, no? It has that medyo sweet and sour taste, plus siguro nagpapasarap pa talaga dito are their sauces. Grabe, ang sarap ng mga sauce nila. Alright, so let's check out some information regarding orders and delivery. So for online orders, you can call the number 0966-674-1465, and for pickup, you can actually get them at Onyangs Chicken Bagnet. This is located at RB Castro Building, Santo Entierro Street, Santo Cristo, Angeles City, near Holy Family Medical Center. So guys, if you're interested to experience what I experienced, no, these are famous Chinese Taiwanese bun that has the Pinoy flavor, check out Bao Street. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Till our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out, guys. Bye.